tour guide. And this is the chef.
Francesca.
We're in Parma, the capital of food, and we'll show you how to make really Italian recipes. Today we're making lasagne. First we prepare the ragu. Then we prepare the bechamel, which is made with whole milk, flour 00, butter, and nutmeg and salt. Then we have to prepare already the pasta sheet with the dough, with the typical dough of Emilia Romagna, and we put it inside the hot water for just a little bit. And then we need to assemble the lasagne. First we put a pasta sheet, then the bechamel, then a lot of Parmigiano Reggiano, 36 months, then ragu, then again another pasta sheet. Lasagna è tipico of Bologna, and also the ragu is typical of Bologna. Pasta sheet, bechamel, ragu, and a lot of Parmigiano Reggiano. Remember to like, subscribe the video and comment.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free.
The pasta sheet could be also green with spinach, but in this case we made it with a yellow dough. Then we put it in the oven for 45 minutes at temperature of 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius.